Emma? Emma, are you waiting for your fancy feast? Ems? Ems? Hey, Emma. Are you waiting for your fancy feast? Really? What kind would you like? Like, what kind of food do you really like to have, Emma? Ems? Oh, get the last trace amounts of what's in there, for gosh sakes. Look at what we have here. It's called Medley's, and it is Fancy Feast. So, here we go. We're going to take a blop. Emma! Ems! Emma? I know, you got the last little tiny parcels in there. Do you want this, Emma? Is this what you want? Oh, Fancy Feast. Miss Emma loves Fancy Feast. You're kind of licking it to death, Ems. Oh, desperation. Oh, gotta eat it. Oh, I can't eat it fast enough. I'm so into this stuff. I'm gonna lick it right off the plate. I got a flat face, so I have to have a very shallow bowl. I'm toothless, so it makes it really stinking hard to eat this food with a flat face and no teeth. You like it? Oh.